few days ago, we left our friends Caroline and Shelley on the western coast of the Italian island of Sardinia with a plan to meet up on the other side of the mountains.
See you in a few days.
So we're getting an early start today, not just because it's going to be a long day, but also because today we get to see our friends again. Plus, we've heard the eastern coast of Sardinia is pretty incredible.
What struck us about the center of the island is how much space there is in between villages. The forested canyons, mountains, and valleys go on for as far as the eye can see.
The only signs of people are a few small farms, livestock, the tourist train track, which is currently not running, and the road itself.
Hey Chris, where are we?
We're on the best hill ever because we're on top and we're gonna go down. Yeah, we have like 2,000 feet of descent ahead of us.
Yeah, let's go down to that city.
Okay. Just scared of cars. Oh Lord.
My food didn't tell us to come up there.
Follow this way for 350 meters.
You want to shake out your hands?
Yeah. I think this is like an extreme use case for these brakes.
Let's fully load this bike.
It's go time. Whee!
Ooh.
And we did 3 days of really hard, and so I think I can do anything now.
I think you can do anything too.
I Except my legs seem to disagree with you. Ah! What do cactus flowers smell like?
Pain. Did you just get hit?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
This should be the part where we have some big emotional scene reuniting with our friends, but the truth is that we're better friends than we are YouTubers, so we didn't film that part.
It's like Lake Michigan, but salty.
We did film our trip into the nearby town, so here's how they sell prosciutto in Italy.
We had heard that the coast just north of us was not to be missed, but our legs really needed a rest.
Luckily, there's no shortage of tour companies happy to take folks to see the cliffs and white sand beaches. Our tour guide, who if you can't tell was local, kept apologizing that the water wasn't as blue as normal because of the cloudy skies.
Last one there's the slowest spoke.
It was a hard decision to leave our peaceful campsite, but our trip was more than halfway over and we needed to keep moving. So we headed down the coast with a plan to stop at an ancient site along the way.
The weather wasn't cooperating, but we tried to make the most of it.
Go again, biking in the rain.
Biking in the rain. Do the other one. Bunch of monkeys. All the sheep. So many sheep.
Naked sheep.
Meh.
Hi, puppy family.
Hi. What? Oh, that's it. That's the thing. We made it. We're on a pile of rocks.
This one's called the Narage.
It's cool.
Yeah. Where are we going, dogs?
We're going for a bike ride. We made it.
Party.
We made it. I think that is Jurassic Park right there. It's been like gray and overcast and raining for a while, but we're still, you know, got to make it down to Cagliari, the capital, so we can fly out. But we don't really want to like set up wet tents and take down wet tents and do that for multiple days in a row. So Chris found this amazing campsite on this stretch of coast that's like not developed and absolutely gorgeous, and like the only thing around here is this campground, and it's a really nice campground. Like it's really well taken care of, and the people who work here are really nice. We ended up renting a little bungalow that had 2 bedrooms to get out of the rain. It was actually like cheaper than our last campsite. And like there's a bathroom and a shower in there, and the bathroom has toilet paper. They even have like laundry facilities and a dryer, which means that we can dry our clothes instead of just washing our clothes and then having them get wet in the rain. So we're all really happy and just like spending the day getting out of the rain and enjoying ourselves.
Really cool. It feels like the Flintstones meets Little Mermaid out here.
It's a little terrifying, honestly.
Yeah.
You get why people thought there was a sea god who got angry sometimes.
A couple days ago, this just up the coast was like boating on a sea of glass, and now it's giant rollers tormenting the coast. Welcome to the Chris and Hillary Paddle Uphill show. Mostly, it's just us breathing hard.
It's got good views.
Yeah.
Cork.
Oh, hi. Bye.
What are you doing?
You can still face me.